Is your agency putting out body-worn camera footage on social media? Well, if you're not, you absolutely should consider doing it. We recently did a Lexipol webinar where we talked exactly about this topic, critical incident videos and putting out body-worn camera footage on social media. So if you missed the Lexipol webinar, here are a few key takeaways. Number one, look for opportunities to put out positive stories, positive outcome, not just putting out body-worn camera footage when something bad happens, when there's a major incident, or when the media is asking for it. There's amazing things that the men and women at your departments do every single day that we should be highlighting. The next thing is, make sure the videos aren't too long. A lot of these videos are 10, 15 minutes, and we all know people's attention spans are limited, and they're just gonna go and fast forward to the main part of the incident. So some tips that you could do to reduce the length of the video is do voiceover. So you're actually having someone speak and explain over the actual footage itself. And you can also do a split screen if you wanted to show multiple angles from multiple officers. The last thing is include captions. And I know that there's captioning software, but I mean translating what is being said by dispatch over the radio by officers out at the scene, because we're using radio codes and jargon that people don't know about. Hopefully you could take these tips and implement them, get buy-in and support to start putting out body-worn camera footage and critical incident videos on your social media.